Okay. 1, 2, 3.
3, 2, 1.
Hi, it's Michael Pilarski, Friends of the Trees Botanicals video, and today we're going to talk about Valerian, Valeriana officinalis. Here it is in all its glory. The air is perfumed with the scent. It's a really beautiful scent. The root has a lot of scent too, but not everybody likes that. But people and a lot of and also some pollinator insects. I see honeybee working this right now, but there's it's good for the honeybees. Now we grow this crop usually as a single annual plant. It's a perennial, but we grow it one season and then we harvest the root. But we let some go to seed because we also sell seed. So this is a seed crop. And the problem with valerian, it likes to fall over. Here's a picture of one back here that's starting to fall over a little bit, but it's being caught by all the goldenrod. See, we're in a mixed species planting here, and the valerian is a volunteer in here, but as a result, the goldenrod holds it up and it doesn't need to be tied up. We have to, if we had just rows of valerian, we have to put stakes in and twine and tie it up so it doesn't fall over. So this is a really great way to get valerian seed without having to go to all that trouble. And so we're getting two crops from the same root area, from the same leaf area. And right here, by the way, is a stalk of a black cohosh that's in here too. So we have a black cohosh. And here is zikao, which is a Chinese medicinal Lithospermum erythrorhizon. So there's quite a few of those in here. And back here, way in the shade, is this mayapple, Podophyllum peltatum, which is pretty, it's just a really nice woodland herb. And so we have it, you can see them, they go back through here in the shade. So they just love it. So we have 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5 crops, and along with the aronia berries, 6 crops basically occupying almost the same footprint, or a lot of them are sharing footprints. So that's our specialty here at our Friends of the Trees Botanicals farm, is multiple plants growing in the same place. Here's another example. Here we have a row of Sweet Annie, Artemisia annua, which is down here bordering the goldenrod, and so they're sharing the same kind of space too. And down here we have dandelion as a just a weedy plant. We'll dig that for medicine as well. So at any rate, let's look at valerian over here. Let's look at this valerian here. This is a volunteer, not planted, because there's seeding around here, so we get a fair amount of volunteers. This one is really good shape. This is the end of June. By fall, this will be really big and have probably, I'm going to guess, somewhere between a 1 and a 2 pound root mass we'll get from this plant. So this is how we grow it as the root crop.
Do you think that it grows even more, like it propagates and it grows even stronger when it's allowed to self-seed like that?
Oh yeah, generally we do sow a lot of things, or do root divisions, or we transplant the seedlings. That's what we do a lot. We transplant the seedlings, which works great. But for the very best plant, the seed falls, it grows, it's never disturbed, it's never transplanted, and it can grow to its full heart's content. That is the way to get usually the best quality plant, the biggest plant. And also the Masurin found out it gives you the best quality fruit. If you're trying to get new fruit, he would plant seeds of all these fruit trees, and he says the ones that he never dug up or transplanted were more likely to throw a superior new variety.
Wow.
So at any rate, so it's good to do seeding in place, especially for some things. Well,
that's great.
Well, at any rate, nice to share that with you folks, and valerian's here for you if you need it.
Cool. Thank you.